before 5. I'm your host, Shara, and today we're going to be making a blue Hawaiian cocktail. So excited about this. First of all, have you ever had a blue Hawaiian cocktail? If so, leave that down in the comments. Personally, I don't believe I had a blue Hawaiian cocktail, but if I have, I can't really remember that. But we're going to make one today together. So let's get right into the ingredients. So first we're going to be using Ocean Spray 100% pineapple. The next ingredient is we're going to use Barcadi light rum. Y'all know how much I love my Torani, so we have Torani sugar-free coconut here. And last but not least, we have blue Curacao from Finest Call. Now we're going to get right into it. Oh, also 1 cup of ice. We're going to get right into it. So we're going to have the cup of ice, then we're going to have 2 ounces of the pineapple juice. And let me know if you like pineapple juice straight or with mixed drinks. How do you like your pineapple juice? I actually like mine both ways, you know. Pineapple juice is the bomb. So that is 2 ounces of the pineapple juice. And then we're going to have 1.5 ounces of the light rum. So we have 1, woo, and 2, well, 1.5 actually. And then next we have 1 ounce of the coconut here. Just let y'all know that smells delicious. So that is 1 ounce of coconut there. And last but not least, let's see here. So after we put our coconut in there, we are going to put in the blender and mix for about 15 to 20 seconds. So I noticed one thing that I forgot to put the Curacao in there. No problem. We're still going to mix it in there. And we're going to do 2 ounces. I really want to make sure it is definitely blue. So that's 1 and that's 2. Now it's a beautiful blue looking cocktail. And I just want to say, oh my gosh, it smells amazing. So we're just going to go ahead and pour it in our glass here. Ooh, that is beautiful blue consistency. Look how gorgeous this is. Wow. All right, I'm gonna go in with my glass straw and give it a great taste test, because y'all know how we do. We gotta taste it on this show. Yep, y'all already know. This drink right here is delicious. Yes, so y'all already know I've gone to Bahamas, and this drink right here reminds me of an island drink, like a Caribbean type drink. This is definitely delicious. So if you had a blue Hawaiian, like I said before, leave that in the comments, and now I see why this is a very popular drink. And this color blue is just gorgeous. Thanks again for watching Before 5. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.